Next is the instruction for the installation of charging center and wiring. Step 1. Location of charging station. Don't place the charging station at the corner of the lawn. Don't place it in low-lying areas where the charging station and the mower may be flooded and damaged. Keep at least 2 meters straight-line space in from the charging station to ensure the robot mower can return to it precisely. Step 2. Lawn cleaning. Before mowing, please clean the lawn and remove debris, branches, stones, or other large objects. If the grass on the lawn is higher than 15 centimeters or is very thick, please mow the lawn by traditional mower first. Step 3. Lawn boundary line setup. Fix the boundary line every 2 to 3 meters by the ground nails, and keep the line close to the ground as much as possible. When cornering, the turning angle of the boundary line must be more than 100 degrees. The line must not be overlapped, paralleled, or intersected. In case there are obstacles on the edge of the line should bypass them, and the minimum space between the line and the obstacles should be 30 centimeters. Please avoid the following mistakes when setting up the boundary line. Mistake 1. The turning angle of the boundary line is less than 100 degrees. Mistake 2. The distance between nails for fixing the boundary line is more than 3 meters. Mistake 3. Border line is too loose after fixing. Mistake 4. The space between the boundary line and the border of the lawn is less than 30 centimeters. Step 4. Installation of charging station. Be sure to install the charging station and the boundary line with gloves to avoid accidental injury. The nail for fixing the charging station must be driven into the ground vertically. Avoid the following mistakes during installation of charging station. Mistake 1. The straight line space in front of the charging station is less than 2 meters. Mistake 2. The charging station and the boundary lines are fixed in a clockwise direction. Mistake 3. The boundary line fails to follow wire groove when extending from the charging station. Step 5. Charging station and power adapter exam. 1. Connect both ends of the boundary line to the plugs, and then plug them into the charging station. 2. Connect one end of the power adapter to the charging station, the other end to the indoor power outlet. 3. Observe the indicator on the charging station. If the right LED indicator is green, the power supply of the charging station is normal. Then unplug one boundary line and observe the working stature of the charging station. If the left yellow indicator flickers and the buzzer keeps beeping, then replug the boundary line. When the indicator stops flickering and the buzzer stops beeping, it indicates the charging station is in good condition. 4. Let mower's copper head contact the copper bar on the charging station. If the right indicator on the charging station turns red, it means it's in good charging condition. 5. The power adapter must be kept away from rain.